Okay guys, still William reporting in China. I will bring to show you our Eco Nail system boxing design for modular housing. Actually, this modular housing based on the container boxing housing. Actually, this design based on the size 3 meter by 6 meter. The size can be adjusted actually for different requests of a client with your traveling site or your construction site, different designing. You can based on to change and modify. Okay guys, I will show you our production capacity and also the site project reference.
Like no one you met before. I'm running for the front when they're all running for the door. And I won't sit down, won't back out. You can't ever shut me up, 'cause I'm on a mission and I won't quit.